Hello ladies and so do you gentlemen, my dear students, welcome to the new lesson of our ScratchMate Edu course. Okay, we continue with our mobile friendly game, Implementing Joystick, and I think that the job should be done with this video lesson. Okay, before we do anything, we could decrease the size of our sprite crab. So instead of 80, it could be 60. Okay, here we will decrease steps. Instead of 15, we will put 5. And we will remove this next costume command. Okay, for now that's it. Later on we will do some extra job. But let's pay attention on parse when our sprite receive messages. Now we should implement 4 new messages. But before we call block move cat and proceed value, we should do something about the look. So there is command switch costume to. So let's duplicate this command.